Hello, welcome to the first video of X Made Easy. Today we're going to be learning about Introduction to Algebraic Expressions. Let's go. So the keywords to algebra, first you should always need to know what a variable means. The first is a variable. A variable is a symbol that represents an unknown value. These are some examples: X, Y, A, T, any, it does not matter. Second is a constant. A constant is a fixed number that does not change. Doesn't change. This is some examples. Anything 5, 12, negative 100 does not matter. It's a fixed number that does not change. Another is a term. A term is a single number a variable or just any number, such as coefficients, constants, the variables that are multiplied by a variable. Another term is a coefficient. This is the numerical part. Of the variable. For example, let's say 3x. So the coefficient is this part, 3. So it would be 3 as in the coefficient. And there's an expression. This is it's basically an equation, but it does not equal anything. So an example of this would probably be, let's see, it can be 3x plus 5, that's it, and 2/3 x minus 7, stuff like that. So it can be anything. Now that we know all the proper definitions, let's try to simplify some expressions. So we know the terms. So 2x. This is the thing that we need to combine. See, 3x is equal to 5x. So this is sorry, my bad. 2x plus 3x, and this would be, since they are like terms, we can combine them. But if this was 2x and this was y, we would not be able to combine like this. So since they are both x, we can, and this is equal to 5x. Another term. Now let's do 3y plus 2x plus 5x. So pause the video, find what you think this is, and I'll go over it. Now we can see that these 2 and this 5 are like terms because they have that x. So we will be able to combine them. So we can put this in the beginning, in the end. I mean, this can be 7x. So as we can see that this is a y, so they cannot combine with the x. So this would have to be just 3y by itself. That's it. Now let's try evaluating expressions with the given values. So we have this called 3x plus 4, and they give us that x is equal to 2. Evaluate. So first off, let's plug in the 2 for the x in here. So this will be 3 times 2 plus 4. So let's just move this down. This will be 6 plus 4, and that is equal to 10. Let me make that in a different color. Okay, these are some practice problems. So pause the video and try to find these, and then we will get going with it. Okay, so let's start with A. You can see that 5x plus 7. It says to identify not do anything. The terms, coefficients, and constants. So constant, we know it's just on its own, just a number by itself. So that is 7. 7 is equal to constant. 5x, that is a term. So this is also a term. And then 5x is a term. Coefficients, make sure it's not just 5x, there's an x. A coefficient is a number in front, so 5 is the coefficient. Okay, let's look at B. Negative 3y squared plus 4x minus 9. We have to find the terms, coefficients, and the constants. So how about, instead of me just writing everything down, I color code this. So terms will be orange, coefficients will be yellow, and constants will be green. So terms, they are all terms. Even the negative 9, that is a term. This is a term, not just 9. Coefficients, there's only 2, so this is a coefficient. This might not make sense. How about we change this to a different color? So this is the coefficient, and negative 3 is the coefficient. And constants, last but not least, it is negative 9. Okay, we got C. Here we go. So we're trying to find the terms. So the terms, everything is a term. So 8 minus 2m and 3n squared as a whole. The coefficients, this will be 3 and negative 2. The constant, the only thing by itself looks like is 8. So that's some good problems. We have more coming up. So try these problems on your own. Pause the video and we will go at it. Okay, we're asked to combine like terms. So let's start letter A, not number A. That does not make sense. Okay, so we can see that the only like terms are x and x. Negative 3 does not do anything. So we have to add these up. This will be equal to 6x minus 3. And that's it. Okay, second one, B. There's 2 like terms, A, and the constants. So let's try the variables ones first. So 5a minus 3a, that is just 2a. And 7 minus 2, that will be just 5. That is it. That. Okay, C. This might look a little confusing and hard. Don't be scared about it. It's nothing. Just easy, same as letter B. So 6y squared and negative 2y squared. So y squared, they're like terms. Don't get fooled by the 3y. They are not like terms. So this is 3y, and this is 5, that's just a constant. So we can only do that. So when it says minus 2y, gotta subtract. It is not just for 3y minus 2y, it's negative 2y squared by itself. So when you have to add this, it's just when it'll be 6y squared plus negative 2y squared. So this cancels, and just literally just 6y minus 2y squared. So that is equal to 4y squared. And then 3y. And then you just have plus 5. And that's it. Here are more practice problems. Just evaluate, we're given the variable, and you just have to find it. So let's start with A. 4x plus 3. So just have to substitute 2, and they give that 2 is x. So it's 2 plus 3. So it's 8 plus 3 equals 11. Just gonna write the color. And then 2y squared minus 5y plus 6. So we can't just do 2 times 3 and then square. It's actually just this by itself. So that will be in the parentheses. So y squared. So 3 squared. That is 3, right? Minus 5 times 3 plus 6. So this is equal to 2 times 9. 3 squared is 9 minus 15 plus 6. And we have 18 minus 15 plus 6. And 18 minus 15 plus 6. That is equal to 9. And nothing surprising here. 6 plus x plus 2 multiplied. This is multiplied. There's nothing in between, so it's just going to be multiplied in parentheses. Given that x is equal to 4. So 4 plus 2. What did we learn about PEMDAS? You must do parentheses first. So this will be 6. Oh, might not be clear. 6 times 1, just 6. I think that's it. Good job. Congratulations on doing your first lesson of Algebra 1 by X8 Easy. Yep. Bye-bye.